Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're going deep on something really fascinating. Microsoft's brand new CoreAI division. You might have heard whispers about this, but trust me, this is not just another tech company hopping on the AI bandwagon. This is different. This is Microsoft betting big on what they're calling an AI-first future, and they're putting their money where their mouth is with CoreAI. So what makes CoreAI so special? Well, think about it like this. Imagine if every single piece of software you used, every app, every program, was powered by an AI that was constantly learning and adapting to you. That's the vision behind CoreAI. Microsoft is essentially creating a whole new foundation for software development, where AI is not just a feature, it's the core. It's like they're building a brand new operating system, but for AI itself. And they're not messing around when it comes to resources. They've pulled in top talent from across Microsoft, from their developer division to their AI platform team, even experts from the office of the CTO. They're all coming together under one roof, with a singular mission: to build the tools and infrastructure for this AI-powered future. What's really fascinating here is that Microsoft isn't just thinking about their own products. They're creating a platform that's open to third-party developers. This means that potentially any developer could build AI-powered apps and agents using the tools and resources that Core AI provides. So, think about it. Your productivity apps, your favorite games, even your operating system itself could become more intuitive, more personalized, more powerful, all thanks to this underlying AI layer that Core AI is building. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this sounds cool, but how does it actually work? Well, that's where things get really interesting, and that's what we're going to dive into next. But before we do, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture for a second. What does the creation of Core AI tell us about the state of the tech industry as a whole? What does it say about Microsoft's ambitions? To me, it signals a major shift in thinking. It's an acknowledgement that AI is not just a passing fad. It's the future. And Microsoft wants to be at the forefront of that future. They're not just dipping their toes in the water. They're diving head first. All right, so we've established that Microsoft is serious about Core AI buy. Who are the masterminds behind this ambitious project? Well, leading the charge is Jay Parikh, a former Facebook executive. With a stellar reputation in engineering, he's the executive vice president of Core AI and has assembled a team of absolute rock stars in the AI and software development world. Talk about folks like Eric Boyd, Jason Taylor, Julia Leeson, and Tim Bozarth. These are heavy hitters, the kind of people who've been pushing the boundaries of AI for years, and they're not just focused on the technology itself. One thing that really stands out is Microsoft's emphasis on engineering thrive. It's clear they're not just building complex AI tools, but also thinking deeply about how to empower developers to use them effectively. They want to make building, deploying, and managing these AI systems as smooth as possible. Which brings us to another crucial piece of the puzzle: GitHub. Now, you probably know GitHub is the place where developers collaborate and share code. Well, Microsoft sees GitHub as a vital part of the Core AI ecosystem. They're using it to cultivate a vibrant community of AI developers, to encourage innovation, and to accelerate the development of new AI applications. And speaking of acceleration, let's talk about the sheer pace of change in the AI world. It's absolutely mind-boggling. Satya Nadella himself has described it as 30 years of change compressed into 3 years. That's how fast things are moving. And that's why Microsoft is making such a bold move with Core AI. They're not just trying to keep up. They're trying to set the pace. They want to be the leaders, the pioneers of this AI revolution. But as with any revolution, there are bound to be challenges, questions that need answers. One of the biggest is how to ensure the safety and reliability of these AI systems. We're talking about AI agents that can learn, adapt, and make decisions on their own. So how do we guarantee they make the right decisions? How do we prevent unintended consequences? These are tough questions, questions that Microsoft and other AI developers are grappling with. And they're questions that we as a society need to start thinking about as well. Because the future of AI isn't just about the technology itself, it's about how we choose to use it. It's about the impact it has on our lives, on our work, on our world. It's about navigating the ethical considerations, the social impact, and ultimately, what it means to be human in an increasingly AI-driven world. So let's shift gears a bit and delve into what this new world might actually look like. So we've talked about the why behind Core AI and the who's building it, but let's really get into the what. What could this future with Core AI at the center actually look like? Imagine a world where your to-do list isn't just a static list, but an intelligent agent that understands your priorities, anticipates your needs, and proactively helps you manage your time. Think about your creative tools, your design software, your music production apps, all supercharged with AI that can help you brainstorm ideas, suggest new approaches, and even generate content alongside you. And what about the way we learn? Imagine educational software that adapts to your individual learning style, personalizes your curriculum, and provides real-time feedback. The need to ensure these AI systems are safe, reliable, and unbiased. And then there are the societal impacts. How will this shift in how we work and interact with technology affect jobs, industries, and the very fabric of our society? These are not easy questions, and there are no simple answers. But what's clear is that Microsoft is aware of these challenges and is emphasizing responsible AI development. They're putting a lot of effort into building tools and frameworks that prioritize transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI systems. They're actively engaging with ethicists, policymakers, and the wider community to ensure the development and deployment of core AI are guided by ethical principles and a commitment to societal well-being. Ultimately, though, the future of AI is not solely in the hands of Microsoft or any single company. It's a collective responsibility. We all have a role to play in shaping this future. It's up to us to engage in open and honest conversations about the implications of AI, to ask tough questions, and to work together to ensure that AI is used for good, that it benefits humanity, and that it helps create a more equitable and sustainable world. So there you have it. Microsoft is taking a giant leap with CoreAI, and it's a leap that has the potential to reshape the technological landscape as we know it. Whether they succeed or not, only time will tell, but one thing is certain. The world of AI is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and it's a journey that we're all on together. So stay curious, stay engaged, and keep exploring the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence, because it's a world that's going to continue to shape our lives in profound ways.